dog was behind.
Yeah. Evie, can you make some more fart noises?
Oh my gosh, I thought that guy was just gonna whine.
Good job. Yeah? Evie, you're silly. You want my finger? Evie, what happens when I pull your finger?
Yeah, a little bit.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Evie. Yeah.
Uncle Ben? Yeah, it's Uncle Ben.
You silly, Evie. You play with my bracelet? Okay.